Audio Jungle.
Chevrolet's Traverse family-size SUV has historically been good mostly for traversing suburban blacktops rather than climbing rocky trails, but the three-row crossover has been updated for 2024 with an emphasis on capability. It remains a spacious option in the mid-size SUV segment and is still offered in value-oriented road-going trims, but the lineup has been beefed up with a more rugged look and an off-road-oriented Z71 version. A turbocharged four-cylinder is the only engine, a departure from V6-powered rivals such as the Honda Pilot, the Hyundai Palisade, and the Kia Telluride. Chevrolet has also upped the Traverse's tech game for 2024. All models come with a massive touchscreen infotainment display and a host of standard driver aids. The racy-looking RS trim replaces the Premier and High Country models as the range topper this year and wears 22-inch wheels, a sportier suspension tune, and black exterior trim. If you're hauling a big family, the Traverse is nicely set up for such a task thanks to its massive interior. The base LS trim seats 8 in its 3 rows, but all other trims come with second-row captain's chairs that reduce capacity to 7 riders. With all seats folded down, the Traverse is among the most cargo-friendly SUVs in the class, with over 97 cubic feet of space. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.